I'm Sharon.
Hi, I'm Ricardo, and today on the show we're about to make candy cane candle holder.
Yes, folks, we're going to make some beautiful candy cane candle holders. For this project, you'll need a glass vase. I found this at the Dollar Tree. You will also need some Mosh Posh, a paintbrush, some crepe paper, white and red, Dollar Tree. You will need some garland that I also found at the Dollar Tree, and
some tape.
you'll need some tape, and you will also need our trusty friend, the hot glue gun. Okay, you ready to get this show on the road?
Yes.
Now, you know, working with young children, it could be a hazard with them working with glass because they tend to drop things. So this is a plastic peanut butter container that I had just, you know, hanging around the house. So I'm going to use this. I believe that Michael's have plastic containers that resemble this one. You can also use a plastic water bottle. Just take the paper off of it. Voss, V-O-S-S, they have some nice straight water bottles, and you could just cut the top off of it to make it look like a candle holder. For example, like if I was going to use this water bottle, I would just cut the top off of it and put some tape around it so that they won't get cuts, because these are
Plastic.
sharp. They have sharp edges. So you could use a plastic bottle in the classroom, because we don't want the children to miss out on this fun activity. This is going to be so much fun.
But it's only for adults for doing this.
With the glass, yes, for older students and adults, but use plastic for your little ones. Alrighty, first we're going to paint the glass base with some Mosh Posh. Do the honors. I'll hold it for you. You just need thin layers all around it. And we all know Mosh Posh dries really fast and it dries clear. Okay, folks, now that your jar is covered with Mosh Posh, you're going to go all around it with the white. You can use tape to secure it, but the Mosh Posh will secure it. You want to just like mummify this jar. Go all around it. Just go around like a mummy. See? See? The whole thing is covered. Add a little Mosh Posh on that part right there that's sticking out. There we go. See that? It's all mummified. Now we're just gonna go around with the red in a spiral motion to make it resemble a candy cane.
Nevertheless, I'm going to just again.
let's show them what's going on in the front. See, it's going up in a spiral motion. So let's secure that with a piece of tape at the top. You know your little ones are not going to make it perfect, and that's okay. As long as they see the pattern of red and white, red and white.
Oh, yes.
Please just use the tea light candles. Do not use flame candles.
Not the real candles, the fake ones.
The tea light candles, yes.
The tea light. The fake ones.
Now, guess what you're going to do next? You're going to go around it again with a layer of Mod Podge and let it dry. Oh yes, this is a messy project. Make sure you have layers and layers of newspaper. We're done Mod Podging the candy cane candle holder. And you see it got white residue on there. That's because the Mod Podge haven't dried up yet. So we're going to sit it to the side and let it get dry. It should have a stained glass effect once it gets dry. Okay guys, so we're gonna sit that off and let that get dry. I know I recommended us making a plastic version using a peanut butter jar or a water bottle with some tape around it to keep the kids from getting cut. But if you want to be extra cautious, you can use a paper version using what?
Tissue tubes.
So we're going to do the same thing. Alright, so we're going to do that again. So I'll be faster because I got a small one. I'm going to just Mod Podge this thing out. So now I'm wrapping mine up. I need another layer of Mod Podge to add the red one. See, I'm all done with my red. And then I'm going to add my final layer of Mod Podge. Okay, and Ricardo, you need a layer of Mod Podge on top of that. And of course, you're not going to see the tea lights inside of here, but you have to make a candle holder inside of there, and I have showed you all how to do that on my previous video, and I'm going to add a link to my previous video of how to turn these into candles. You know, teach the children that the candy cane are made out of peppermint. Bring a peppermint plant in the classroom and let them smell it. Bring some peppermint oil. You could probably actually add some peppermint oil on the cotton ball and let them put it inside of their candle holders. Alright folks, it's been an hour and our candy cane candle holders are dry. So now we're going to get ready to add some garland. And you know me, I love me some bling. So you could use bling wrap, you could use glitter, however you want to decorate these beautiful candle holders.
Scissors.
You see that? Doesn't that look so nice? Got 3 buttons in the front of it. Bling bling.
Alright folks, I'm just going to measure it around. Just what size do you want? Let's see.
I'm going to give you a hand.
Hold on a second. Okay.
Where do you want me to cut? Right here?
Right. No.
Right there?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. We're going to just glue it around the vase.
The glue gun. And go around just like that.
I think it should be good.
It's good. Can you take a wild guess what I'm gonna do with these two heavy rocks?
What are you gonna do with them?
Well, because these are made out of tissue tubes, they fall over so easily. So
Yeah, they do.
I'm gonna put some hot glue inside of here, and I'm gonna put one rock in there. You can find these rocks at the Dollar Tree. Simply beautiful. You guys can do this project as a family, a community, or in the classroom. Don't forget to use the plastic for the little ones. This is something you'll be proud of. Something you created and did for yourself. I feel proud. How about you?
I feel proud too.
Yeah, I feel proud. You know, families that play together, stay together.
Yeah. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to support the book. Creak, creak, too scared to sleep.